Alright guys, like I said in the last video, this thing is super heavy, so I was very thankful to have a few friends to help me load this thing onto the four-wheeler. And at this point, we're just going to cruise on down to its final destination. Now, before I get any comments about shooting in my backyard and stuff, this was all ran by the local sheriff department. They've verified that I am doing this safely, and we're allowed to do this. Now, before we set all this up, I wanted to challenge one of my buddies to drive his truck down through the woods. Oh, he hit a tree right there. This leads down to the same place that the four-wheeler led down to, and as you're about to see here in a second, we're about to let it loose. Well, this still wasn't rifle ready, but here's a couple targets I made on the CNC, and we're just putting some more stickers on it and resetting, and let's have some fun. Well, in conclusion, I think everybody enjoyed the bench, not only for the rifles, but also for, just setting things up. It's a perfect size. It's a little bit bigger than a typical shooting bench, and I think it turned out perfect. There's always that one guy. Holy cow.
Going through the back.
Well,